Bitcoin, it might be the biggest bull run of all time. You wanna know all the information? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most. And it's not me saying it, it's going to be the biggest bull run of all time. This comes from this tweet from Max, and you can see that if cycles repeat, if history repeats, then we are just about to start a banana. And today we are happy because Bitcoin broke again $60,000, and this guy just couldn't stop sending rockets to the sky because we are all so happy. But right now, trying to find support in that $60,000 line that was resistance in the past. So hopefully we will go now higher. We'll see about that. You see this guy just a little bit sad because it's okay. Bitcoin is above 60K, but again, the portfolio keeps on being at the same point, and we are tired of crypto news and crypto news with Bitcoin between 59,000 and 60K once and again and again. Any case, we are optimistic and we have to take advantage of the situation today. We are in the green and we should enjoy a green market. Green market for the S&P 500 also. We are in a new all-time high, 10.7% since the August 5th low. It's crazy to see Dow Jones in this high. And also, you see in a 12-month candles, that's only 3% gain away from crossing above 125-year trend line. Awesome for the stock market in United States, awesome for stock market in Asia, and not good for dollar today. We'll see if it breaks or not this line because we have, of course, a very interesting week. We have Jerome Powell today at some point. He has to speak about rates and cuts, and we are just waiting for that. We can't wait. JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon said the Fed will cut rates by 25-50 basis points today. And let me make this clear. 25 rate cuts is bullish. 50 is very bullish. 75 would be parabolic, according to Kyle. Any case, everybody's like so pumped that if we have that cut, everything's going to rise. But remember, even though Lark Davis is pointing you this chart, and you can see how parabolic Bitcoin went, remember that we go always farther. And at the beginning, when we have the cut, we go down. So if you want to know more about that, you watch previous videos. I told you everything about that there. Also in the uncomfortable truth video about Bitcoin. It's true, any case, that the Fed's next move is only one: printing money. That's the only thing they know how to do. We had a good day also with the inflow, so institutions probably ready for buying more and more Bitcoin, and we have more good news related with this. Singapore's largest bank, DBS, is going to launch Bitcoin and crypto options trading. Also, Deutsche Digital Assets News Macro Bitcoin ETF is going to start trading today. And Bhutan, now we know they hold 780 million worth of Bitcoin. You see here that thanks to its vast hydroelectric energy sources, Bhutan secretly started mining Bitcoin in 2020, now holding up to 13,029 Bitcoin total. Bhutan and El Salvador combined, they hold 18,900 Bitcoin, worth more than $1 billion. So game theory has started to play out. I believe that. Also interesting, the idea that the IMF is blocking loans to El Salvador, in large part because it owns this close to 6,000 Bitcoin, is incredible. When you think of how successful Bitcoin is in the face of so many obstacles, it's inspiring. And El Salvador bonds surged today, becoming the best performing among all emerging markets, following the president's announcement of a zero deficit during his financial independence speech. You see here how President Bukele announced that moving forward, El Salvador will not spend more than they produce and will begin to pay down all existing debt. This is crazy. This is all opposite to United States. Michael Saylor knows about this. That's why MicroStrategy plans on buying 700 million more Bitcoin. Crazy stuff. Also good that Circle's USDC is now available in Brazil and Mexico through the local real-time payment services. So Brazilian reals and Mexican pesos can now be converted into USDC, bypassing the need of USD. Huge announcement, all this information that might bring us a Q4 for Bitcoin that can be the best. You see the media and the average 88 and 56 positive for Q4. And here some comparisons because ready for a huge bull run if we compare the chart with 2021. We still need a little bit of patience, but we'll be there. We have this shop in Zurich, Switzerland about Bitcoin. And you know what? If I get rich from crypto, I'm not telling anyone, but there will be signs. If you see me in a tub with my car, just watching the sunset, that's a sign. Also, if you see myself just training with my Lamborghini, that would be a sign too. The thing is that Bitcoin balance on exchanges just hit an all-time low in the past 5 years, and we are expecting X payments later this year. So yes, more and more good news. If you like trading, if you like technical analysis, well, we can talk about monthly stochastic RSI. In past cycles, wherever it pulled back to the 50 center in line, a massive rally soon followed. So yeah, again, maybe a little bit of patience and we'll be up for good. We are on track with 2023, as we saw in previous videos, and we are on track with the 30th of September in the green and 4 months in the green. We are today in the day of the decision for the Fed and the rates, and just 48 days away for a pro-crypto president in United States, I believe. So the market is not in fear anymore, or at least we are in 45, but we still have this chart. This $54,000 gap wouldn't be filled. We'll see about that. And also, if you want to be scared, you see here the rent price and income through history from 202 to the moment we are right now. And you can see that rent price just goes crazy and crazier up, and income doesn't follow through. So yeah, terrible. We need another source. Bitcoin, of course, is the solution. In my opinion, no financial advice, but we have the bubbles in the green, and we have Donald Trump and family shilling out their projects about crypto that they create. They are talking about how cringe last night X Space was promoting the launch of the Trump family DeFi platform. But the truth is that the platform is out there. And talking about embarrassment, we have here Vitalik Buterin singing in Singapore. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Well, this is Vitalik Buterin. This is Ethereum's chart. Still trying to fight, even though its creator is singing like that. And again, with Benjamin Cohen and all crazy theories about Ray Katz, remember that the last time we went down for some time. So do not be so crazy today about it. We have this magnet, according to Platisu, for Ethereum. We might see price lower. That's the point we are right now. We told you in previous video about the exact point where we believe Ethereum is going to be. So if you didn't watch it, go and watch it right now. This crypto news here. And today about partners, I have to tell you, we have a 50% off. So buy it right now if you want the Metal 12 War. This metal for your words. Awesome stuff. 50% off with Treasure today. Take advantage of this opportunity. Link in the description below. Also, of course, if you want a 10% discount in the best portfolio tracker and tax report, coin tracking. That's the one I use. Link in the description below, and link to dextools.io, which is of course the best app out there for following the market. It's free. And remember, we have a video from Blog Galicia already out there. Thank you, Blog Galicia, for sharing on social media. Go there and watch it, because on the other hand, you have myself full standing. This is not usual. You can have some fun watching me doing some interviews, very interesting ones. And thank you to all the friends that are retweeting all about this, like, for example, Javier Bitcoin. Thank you very much for all your support. Remember, and we told you in that video, to be unlike the rest. It is okay to be absolutely different. For being so, keep on learning and having fun here on Crypto News Fun on the Right. Remember the mumbles? Well, I found this video. You have to choose a color, okay? You have the color already chosen? Okay, I'm with the red one, okay? We'll see which marble is going to win this race. Ready, set, go. Here we go. If you are with the blue or white, you are good, or maybe not. Blue and white, those are the ones. It seems that the white is going to be the one. The yellow is coming strong and now takes first place. We are going to the middle of this race with the white and yellow being ahead of everything. So yes, here we go. It's the blue one. Blue, yellow, blue, white, blue again. And the red one is the last, of course, because it was mine. It's okay. We are so used for losing, but also so used for enjoying life, like this cat. Is this a cat or is this a rabbit? Any case, a rider here that we love, learning more and more about AI with AI News, our other channel, and about crypto, of course, here, Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!